If you discovered that the Earth is located right in the center of the universe, what would be the evidence to prove that? And why would it be so important? Observing the universe shows that the galaxies are dispersed in such a way that it looks like you threw a rock in a pond. When something makes ripples, it causes a perfect pattern of rings in an equal distance around the object. Go find a pool and throw in a stone and watch what happens. The ripples go perfectly all the way around and outward together from the object. We find when we look at the Earth that galaxies scatter perfectly circular around it, like ripples, and also that there are the same number of galaxies on each side of the Earth that have been discovered. If the Big Bang happened, there's nothing special about the location of Earth where we live, or why it's in the center of the universe. In fact, it's not really a big deal at all that it's in the middle, is it? Well, the odds of the Earth being at this special location are less than 1,000,000,000 to 1. God specifically placed the Earth here and stretched out the heavens around it because He wanted us to enjoy seeing the heavens to prove what the Bible says. There's just no way the Big Bang would blow the Earth right in the middle of space with all the other galaxies placed in certain order around it. Now that's order and design. An explosion cannot cause order. Dr. Jason Lisle from Institute of Creation Research talks about the heavens being stretched out like a curtain.
There are some examples in the Bible of scientific foresight. One example that comes to mind in particular is in Isaiah 40:22, which talks about God stretching out the heavens as a tent or as a curtain. And you might say, well, that is written in a poetic way, so we got to be careful. And yet there are at least 10 other places in the Bible where it talks about this stretching out of the heavens. And that's something that was only discovered in the 20th century when we found that indeed all the galaxies appear to be, or virtually all of them, appear to be moving away from each other as if the entire universe is being, lo and behold, stretched out and expanded just like the Bible says. And that's obviously not something that people could have observed in ancient times. That's something that had to have been revealed to them from above.
Unimaginably large, containing spectacular galaxies and stunning nebulae. Truly, the heavens declare the glory of God.